Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, I welcome all of you to the very first chemistry class after the summer vacation. And I hope that all of you enjoyed your holidays quite well. Although we are having restrictions, we can't go out. But Alhamdulillah, I hope that you have enjoyed the holidays a lot at your home with your family members, and you fasted in the month of Ramadan, and you celebrated the festival of Eid al-Fitr. Okay, so Alhamdulillah, we are back again with our online classes, and I hope that you already know that we were in chapter number 3, acid, bases, acids, bases and salts. Okay, so this is the chapter which we were dealing with which we were dealing with, and I hope that you already, and I hope you remembered that we have completed our last topic, which we dealt with, was the difference between concentration and strength of an acid. And you understood this concept very well, that concentration means what is the amount of, what is the percentage, what is the ratio of acid in comparison to water. Okay, that is the concentration. More is the percentage of acid, more is the ratio of acid in the water, in the solution. That is, I am talking about if you are mixing water and acid, then if the percentage of acid, the ratio of acid is more than water, then that is a concentrated acid. If the percentage of water is more than acid, then the acid, then that is a dilute acid. Then that is a dilute acid. I hope this concept is clear. And the strength of acid means the degree of dissociation. That is, number of acid molecules by total number of acid molecules, number of acid molecules ionized by total number of acid molecules into 100%. That is, the strength of an acid depends upon what percentage of its molecules gets ionized, what percentage of its molecules gets ionized, okay, becomes ions. So the concept is quite clear to you, the difference between strength and concentration of acids. Now let us move ahead to the next topic. Let us proceed, that is preparation of acids. Preparation of acids. Today we will be dealing with chemical reactions. So this is one of the most important part of this subject. If you are not well versed in this part of chemistry, then you are not going to master the subject. Most of the students they hate chemistry. You shouldn't hate chemistry. If you are a science student, if you want to pursue science as your higher studies, then you shouldn't hate chemistry, because chemistry is not going to leave you. Okay? That's why you have to master this. What is the issue faced by the students is that they don't understand the mechanism. They don't try to understand, or they don't have that understanding that how chemical reactions work. If they have that understanding, and if they proceed, they learn in this way, in the particular way that is required by the student, then learning reactions and dealing with reactions become quite easy. And if anything become easy for you, then you enjoy it. So that's why first and foremost thing which I would like all of you to have is that to make a mindset, that is, these things are easy. You make this mindset. Okay, play with your psyche means make this note in your psychology force your psychology, force your psyche, force your mind to understand that these things are easy. Now let us move ahead without delaying. The first process is by synthesis. By synthesis. The first method by which acids are prepared is by synthesis. So by synthesis is a special method by which binary acids are produced. Binary acids are produced by this process. What do you mean by binary? Wherever you find bi, this prefix bi, it means two. As you have seen in binoculars, bi, the bi word is there. This bi prefix is there. So bi means two. So binary acids means acids containing two elements. Acids containing only two elements are binary acids. So synthesis is the method by which binary acids are produced. For example, HCl, isn't it? H2S, isn't it? HBr. So these are binary acids, isn't it? Because they contain two elements, HCl, HAs, HBr. Now let us try to understand the chemical reaction, the mechanism of the chemical reaction, and that is combination reaction. I said you that you have to have the understanding of what sort of reaction is that. If you have that understanding, then it will become very easy for you to learn the reactions. So it is a combination reaction. H2 plus Cl2, they combine together to give you HCl. So I will put a 2 over here to balance. Similarly, H2 plus ACE sulfur will give you H2S. Okay. Now a question arises, sir, how come you have written 2 over here but not over here? Okay, so this is the issue, isn't it? I will be explaining you this thing in the next video. This is very important. So I will be explaining you why this is happening. 2 is coming over here and not over here.